Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Let me make this extremely short video today. I know I always say that, but today I really need to make this short. I actually passed the to the funded account a couple weeks ago, but I took a couple weeks off. Those that are watching me know that I've been in a blackjack class dealer. I passed that. I'll be moving into craps next, the dice game. That's a 5 week course. I have selected the pro funded account at Top Step Trader. Going to work my trading into my class and whatnot. It's a class that goes from 12 to 5:30 Monday through Friday. So my plan right now is to look at the morning, maybe the first hour and a half of trading, maybe a half hour earlier. So instead of like 8 a.m. CST, looking at about 7:30, start looking at 7:30, and roughly looking to about the um, maybe 8 a.m. Still, looking at the market at 7:30 is what I normally do. Let me rephrase that. I usually start looking at the market around 7:30 a.m. CST, and anyway, I'm going to finish up my trading. I guess it'll be my time about 10:30 a.m. So 9:30, no later than 11 my time, 10 Central Time. So to be prepared to move on. So that's the plan. The rest of the day is going to be out now. We're in the middle of football season right now. I'm watching got a senior this year, and I have a freshman this year, both playing, starting on their teams respectively. Um, Playing both sides of the ball, it's fun. It's a great time of life, right? And those that have children and watch them go in sports, you know exactly how I feel. Obviously, with the COVID stuff that's going on, we're just thankful, I guess, that they're playing at this point in time. I hope that, well, it's not mimicking 1918 statistics. It's a law. We all know this is all politicized right now, and there's going to be, quote unquote, a big division coming in November after this election. So you're looking at this as an overall. Um, how's it going to affect the crude oil markets? I think it's going to bring volatility to the market, but is it going to bring it volatility in the month of October and the rest of September? Probably to some degree, but there's going to be a lot of indecision right now as well because they've got two political parties fighting, and honestly, no one really knows which way it's going to go. They've already said that if Trump wins the election in November, that they shouldn't bow out, that they're going to, obviously stuff the ballot box to make sure that they get their person. So don't, if we have to wait a month later to find out what the true results were, because we need a couple thousand more in this one county, whatnot. Um, uh, it's a stupid, crazy world that we're living in right now, honestly. And does it affect my breathing overall? No. I mean, will it change my way of living as an overall? I don't think so. But if it does, I mean, we got our First and Second Amendments, and what can you say other than I see everyone sees the violence around and they're calling it a peaceful protest. Yeah, this is not peaceful. It's not a protest. It's anarchy and it's rioting. We all see it. We choose to live in a bubble or we choose to ignore it. But the silent majority is getting ready to vote, and I believe that we're going to get 4 more years of Trump. All right, it's Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. If I had to take a pick, I'd rather have him in the office than actually Harris will be the one running the country. Everybody knows that. Biden's will be overthrown within the first couple of, if not the first year or second year of his presidency, and it'll be the Harris administration. She's already had her Freudian slip, as we all know. So it's what we're seeing. We're seeing that if you vote for Biden, you're actually voting for Harris, and that's a crazy radical to put in office. All right, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next video I put together. Bye for now.